Hi everyone. As organizations become more complex and data scientists become more ambiguous at collecting large and broad data sets, data modeling has become more difficult and more crucial. Whether you are doing research design or architecting a new data store for any organization, the ability to think systematically and clearly on how to retrieve and how to store data or key data points and how to relate and how to group them together is all what data modeling is about. For an example, if we consider a sales transaction data which can be grouped into different data points like customer, seller, item, payment mechanism, considering all these data points and storing and retrieving them systematically in a database is considered as data modeling. Data modeling plays a key role or ensures any organization in identifying if they collected all the information or all the key points. As the previous example states, like if a transaction is recorded without any date on which it is occurred, it would become very difficult in doing return policies or identifying any fraudulent cases in that. Importance or benefits of data modeling: one of them is higher quality. Just as how architects consider blueprint before constructing any building, here we consider data before building any application. On an average, 70% of software development applications fail due to premature coding. Data modeling enables us to define this problem, considering different approaches and choosing one of the best one. Few other benefits are like reduced cost and time. We can build applications at lower cost via data modeling. Typically, data modeling consumes around 10% of project budget and can help in reduce 70% of the budget devoted to programming in any project. Data modeling usually helps in identifying errors or data issues at early stages where we can fix it rather than fixing or trying to fix errors at later stages or after the software is completely written. Data modeling helps us reduce application errors or data errors by defining key points or creating a data model with clarity or simplifying key points. Few other benefits are faster performance. Sound model or better constructed model helps us simplify database tuning, which in turn help a database run fast, often quicker than expected. Few other benefits are a better documentation or a good documentation. Models document important concepts which help us in long-term maintenance. The model's inherent topics or model inherent concepts also help us in doing analytical data mining.